truck. This car is my dream car. About a year ago, I saw one of my neighbors when I was living in downtown Los Angeles pull up in one of these, an all-white Maserati truck, and I was like, you know what? This is the car that I have to get. I mean, look at the headlights and look at the grille. Very, very beautiful grille. It has a very aggressive look for an SUV. It's basically the Ghibli in the SUV version. And I want to go ahead and give some advice and some pointers for everybody that wants an exotic car, wants a nice car. Just know that this isn't going to happen overnight. This is 5 years in the making. I had my Camaro SS. I put like $8,000 worth of mods in it. Everybody's wondering, what happened to the Camaro? The Camaro is gone because I fucked up the car. Me and my friends, we were going crazy on it, slamming on the gas, slamming the gas from like one green light to another green light. It got to the point where I took my Camaro, went to Chevy, and the struts were messed up, suspension was messed up, and they said, you know what, you can do all this. And I was out of warranty because I straight piped the Camaro, got rid of everything. So it wasn't even in warranty anymore. So I was like, you know what, why would I pay out of pocket for it? I sold the Camaro, got rid of it, and now I have the Maserati truck. If you guys want a car like this, you have to be realistic. There's people out there who are going to tell you, you're going to get this in 3 months, you're going to get this in 6 months. Especially if you're a beginner trader, or if you're in business, you can't expect to become successful right off the bat. There's a lot of failures, a lot of things you're going to do. When I first started off trading, I was losing my entire first year. I come from the bottom, and I wanted to be successful. I wanted to be hungry. I was really hungry. So it was like, the hunger to become successful and the determination to become successful was really putting me away from the realities of things. I wasn't being realistic with myself. I didn't have a risk money management game plan. I didn't have a trading game plan. I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I was scalping. I was day trading. I was just doing a bunch of nonsense shit and following the wrong people, listening to the wrong people on social media, and I was losing all of my money. When I really took myself to the next level as a trader is when I sat back. I learned, hey, this is what I'm doing wrong, this isn't working, I'm placing too many trades, I'm not really looking at the overall trend, I don't have a risk on my magic game plan, I don't even know what the fuck I'm trading, I don't know what these instruments are. And when I really did that and I really formed a plan together, my trading became more consistent and more profitable. It took me at least a whole year of losing to be able to really understand. So for everybody that's a brand new trader, just know that it's going to take at least 1, 2, 3 years to really understand if this is for you. This is 5 years in the making, like I said. And guess what? We got the house video on the way coming August 1st, so be on the lookout for that. I'm going to try to drop a video 2 times a week for all of you.